Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see which applications are using the most battery on your iPhone so you can know how to avoid it. So let's go to settings right here, scroll on down. And we're at the top here. We want to scroll on down past screen time, notifications, general, and we want to click on battery. Select it right here. Then we have battery percentage. I'd suggest turning that on so you know exactly how much battery you have. Then we have low power mode. Low power mode temporarily reduces background activity. Great. And if we scroll on down, we can go to the last 24 hours or last 10 days. Let's go to the last 10 days. And we can see our battery usage with like this, I don't know what it's called, this graph. And we continue to scroll on down. We can see the number one thing that's using battery is my camera and no cell coverage. Since I don't have an active cellular plan on my phone, it's on a different phone right now. Then 9% for Messenger, home and lock screen, Instagram, photos. So let's click on maybe my camera and see what kind of information it can tell me. And it just says I've used it for 3 hours and 4 minutes. And it's been on 1 minute in the background. What about Messenger? 2 hours and 19 minutes and 44 minutes in the background. So some of these applications are still active in the background, and we can go to show activity or battery right there. Let's go to the last 24 hours. And my phone has been pretty much just idling since I was sleeping. So it's been pretty much Facebook. I don't think I've used Facebook at all. It says 4 minutes I've used it, but it's used 14% of my battery right there, or out of this usage in the last 24 hours. So you can just get information about all the different apps and stuff. Just come to this section and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.